everyone, Daisy here with another layout for SpiegelMom Scraps, and I'm showing you here, I had spent some time threading a bunch of sequins onto some green crochet thread, and I used the Hippity Hop, is it Hippity Hoppity or Hippity Hop? Nope, Hippity Hoppity sequin mix to do that. And I just kind of alternated between some of the flowers and then the green sequins and then a couple of blue ones on there as well. And this is kind of a different layout for me, and I did struggle with this. I don't know why I went down this road. It's been one of those times where everything seems to be hard, which is silly. It shouldn't be hard. It should just be fun, and I should just do what I love. But I tried to do something a little bit different here, and so I used some muted colors and kind of went for a softer layout, and so I think that's why this one was a little bit of a struggle. But I am using up my stash, and so I had this paper that I've been hoarding from One Canoe 2. And then also that black and white floral one, that is from, it's actually from Pink Paisley. I thought it was a Maggie Holmes, but it's Pink Paisley. I double checked. And then I kind of alternated some cardstock pieces in there as well, just in coordinating colors. And I'm using this picture of my daughter, just a cute picture of her, and I changed it to black and white, and then I did back it with some light blue cardstock to kind of pull in the blue from the sequins that I'm going to be using too. I am using an 8-inch doily, and that is from the SpiegelMom Scrap Shop as well. I believe they're in the clearance section right now, so if you're looking to get some, you can find them there. And they are like the perfect doily. I think they're called like Cambridge Daisy or something like that. And I love how intricate and just gorgeous and lacy they are. So just sticking that down there. I'm not sure why I pulled up that little white piece. I must have cut it down or something. I'm not sure, but so I have these stickers from Vicki Boutin, and I've been working on getting through them, and I thought that these roses looked really nice with the Pink Paisley roses on that paper, but I don't end up going with as much as I thought I was going to. And then I had the idea of using that string and kind of zigzagging it underneath the photo there, but then I decided to do something a little bit different. And so I'm just auditioning a bunch of stickers here, trying to figure out what I want to use. And then this is what I end up doing with the string. And this was kind of my original idea, was to kind of like hang it across the top of the layout. And I really like the way that looks, so I am going to kind of go with that. And then I decided to add butterflies instead of all of the roses, because I thought they were cute and pretty, and that they went with this layout pretty well. So right now I'm digging through a few of the shimmers that I have gotten from SpiegelMom Scraps, and I'm not sure if they're all still available in the shop, because she does rotate the colors occasionally, but I am using Pull Me Closer and Mint to Be. And I've had these for a little bit, and so they're a little chunky, so I have to stir them up really, really well, and I do end up adding a little bit of water to them, because they are not, and these are the original shimmers, so they come pre-mixed, and I just add a little bit of water to them to kind of help them be a little bit more liquid. And then I'm just going to kind of smush them on here with this paintbrush. I'm not even, like, I'm doing this just smushing it on. I'm not even paying attention or doing a really good job. And I'm kind of mixing the colors around and just trying to make them, you know, that kind of pretty green blue color, and then it adds a ton of shimmers to it. And now I'm going to sprinkle the paints around the page here. And because they're not super liquidy right now, I was having problems getting them to come off the paintbrush, so I had to keep adding more water and sprinkling them on, but eventually it gets there. And then I'm going to put them back on there, and you can even see on the video here how shimmery they really are. And so there is some shimmers available in the shop, and I believe there might be some that are available for pre-order, but you'll have to go check it out and see what's available right now. Otherwise, Shimmers does have their new color kits, and some of them do include SpiegelMom scrap sequins as well, so you can head over to Shimmers and check that out as well. And then I'm going to pull in the Hippity Hoppity sequin pack again. Oh, first I'm going to add my title, and then I'm going to pull in more sequins, and I'm going to dot them along that kind of diagonal line that I'm creating now with the title and these black foam hearts. I was really trying to get some more things on this page, and just it was hard to pick. So I had pulled out all of these things from my stash. Oh, excuse me. Pulled out all of these things from my stash and wasn't able to get too much on there, but I'm just going to add the word you in these kind of light blue little puffy alpha, and then here comes the sequins, and I'm using my Zotz glue dots to stick them down. It's my favorite way to stick down the sequins because they really hold true and they're tiny, so I don't end up with like a lot of glue on my fingers. But yeah, so that's pretty much my layout. Head on over to the SpiegelMom Scrap shop, and you can always use my code DAISY15 for 15% off your next purchase. And don't forget to go join the Facebook group. There's a lot of challenges over there and fun inspiration, and you don't want to miss out on any of the new releases or anything. So head on over to the Spread Sparkle Facebook group. There will be links down below for everything. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!